Well, these are the latest images that we're getting in from the Ministry of Home Affairs, where Home Minister Amit Shah is currently chairing a meeting. This is with regards to the cyclone Nisarg, where he's basically taking review of the current situation. A video conference with the Gujarat Chief Minister. Along with him is also the NDRF DG right now on your screens. In fact, NDRF has already put about 10 teams in 6 districts of Gujarat. As you can see on your screens right now, Home Minister Amit Shah along with Home Secretary and also DG of the NDRF in that particular meeting interacting with the Gujarat Chief Minister to take stock of the situation. Well, in fact, as far as the current situation is concerned, what we are picking up is that the IMD has already declared a pre-cyclone watch for the North Maharashtra and South Gujarat coasts after a low-pressure area that was formed. And this is as per the forecasts over the southeast and adjoining east-central Arabian Sea. Right now, these are visuals that are coming in from the Ministry of Home Affairs, where in interaction between the Home Minister as well as Gujarat Chief Minister. Let me go across to our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, for the latest. Aishwarya, we're getting latest images of the interaction between the Home Minister as well as Gujarat's Chief Minister. In the meeting present are the DG, NDRF as well as the IMD Director. They are all present in the meeting. What are you picking up?
At this point of Shravan, this is the third meeting of the day. First was with the NDMA officials. Second was with the chief secretaries of both the states. And now the Home Minister himself will be meeting with the chief ministers of both these western states, that is Gujarat and then Maharashtra. These visuals which are coming out are with the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani. On the other side, it is the Chief Secretary, the Home Secretary of the state. And on this side, you have the Home Minister, the Home Secretary, and as you mentioned, the officials of IDMA and then the NDRF. So the fact remains that after the cyclone, which is now brewing up in the Arabian Sea, Government of India is basically presuming that it will hit the two western states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Hence, these are preparatory meetings, keeping in mind that India has already seen another cyclone that was on the eastern Ghats, Shravan. That was for the state of Odisha and then West Bengal. The kind of travesty which these natural calamities cause, Government of India wants to be completely prepared for it. Government of India understands that it will happen only in coordination. Both the central and then the state governments respectively would have to work in tandem, and that's what is being discussed. These are preparatory meetings for which we are being told that the Home Minister will also be having another similar meeting with the Maharashtra Chief Minister, so that what all needs to be done, what all is required by these two coastal states, western states, all of that will be provided to them. And similarly, like this one, there is going to be another video conference with the Maharashtra Chief Minister.
Well, Aishwarya, stay on with us. Let me also bring in our colleague Priyanka, who's joining us from Ahmedabad. Priyanka, the meeting basically between Home Minister and Chief Minister of Gujarat underway. What are you picking up as far as the preparedness is concerned on the ground?
Well, absolutely. As of now, the state government sources have also told us that 15 teams of NDRF have already been prepared and they have been deployed in those areas, low-lying areas specifically, in and around Surat and other southern parts of the state of Gujarat, since those are the places that are going to be most vulnerable when the cyclone actually makes landfall. As of now, the IMD has also said that this is a depression. It is not a cyclonic storm as of now. But the IMD has also been roped into the meeting for the state government as well, to make sure that they are in complete coordination and to make sure that the predictions are up to date with the state government so that they can take all the steps necessary. As of now, the NDRF teams are also making sure that they are not just tackling the cyclone but also the pandemic side by side, because the people who will be evacuated, these low-lying areas have several villages that are going to be evacuated, and the evacuation process is already underway. And those people are going to be evacuated and kept in a shelter somewhere nearby, specifically in the Surat city itself, so that they can be safeguarded not just from the cyclone, but also that there is enough space so that they can also practice social distancing and make sure they take all the precautions as per the guidelines for fighting the pandemic COVID-19. Because this is not just one war against the cyclone, but also the pandemic side by side. As of now, the state government is in complete coordination with the center as well, And 15 teams, they're saying, have already been deployed, but more teams might be deployed in these particular areas of Surat, Valsad, and other southern parts of the state of Gujarat. Yes, Shravan.
Well, thank you very much, Priyanka, as well as Aishwarya, for bringing us the latest.